Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. What's wrong with you? Hi, little one. Need a friend to talk to? Huh? You need a friend? Don't jump on me, okay? What's the matter? You hungry? Beretta say you can't come in the house. I know. You want some food or something, huh? I don't got no sausage for you. I can't see you. I probably got the phone my way. I don't got no sausage for you. Hi. Can I get your name, Jasper? I'm going to go in now. I can't see. You must not want to be on camera. You hungry? You hungry? Huh? I can't let you in there. Miranda ain't going to let me let you in. She ain't going to let me let you in the house. She don't. I know. It's not my fault, though. It's not my fault. You a pretty little cat, though. You're a pretty little cat. Bye, little fella. Little Jasper. That's your name, Jasper. Jasper, what's wrong? You hungry? Look at this cat. Oh my gosh. Just came out of nowhere. I named him Jasper. I think he wants something to eat. He's trying to tell me. I know. I'm gonna have to sneak you out some food though. Then if I do that, you ain't gonna come. You gonna keep coming back. Huh? I can't see. You don't want to be in the camera. You want to be my friend? Can't see. Look, where you at? You don't like camera? You don't like camera? No. It's okay.